Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Talk with Victor, and this video today is an introduction to my web development course. It's also an invitation to anyone out there who wants to learn web development. I encourage you to follow this course for 1 month and become comfortable with the foundation to web development. If the foundation be destroyed, what can the righteous do? Of course, there are so many videos out there telling you, some might say this is the fastest route to learn this and that, but no one really tells you what topics to learn and in what order to learn them. Most beginners, they get lost in what we call tutorial hell or tutorial purgatory. However, the ones that do have this structured learning format, they are the bootcamp courses, and you have to pay hundreds and thousands of euros to get enrolled to this course, to get such structured course. So there are also courses out there, but some of them are outdated and they don't use best practices anymore. But the question is, why should you enroll for this course? The first thing I would like to say is that this course is for absolute beginner and for anyone who wants to refresh their HTML knowledge, their CSS knowledge, and their JavaScript knowledge. It is also absolutely free. I'm going to be giving out tutorials on the basic fundamentals of web development, which are the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is the building block for any web developer, and if you want to be a software developer or a web developer, this is the starting point. I know the question in your mind now is, why this course? And believe you me, many beginners get confused, and even after doing one tutorial, they feel they do not have the required knowledge, so they keep jumping from one tutorial to another. But this complete course will give you all the fundamentals you need. In this course, I have taken the time to teach you all you need to know as a beginner, and the quality of information that I provide in this course is second to none, and I am motivated to explain and teach every absolute beginner as much as possible. And the next question is, who is this course for? This course is for anyone who wants to work with the web, whether you are new or you want to fill in the gaps. Okay, most people say, oh, I know HTML, CSS, but there are certain gaps that they need to fill. This course is also for you. So this course will start from the very beginning, and if you're a web designer who wants to create cool website, this course is for you. And of course, there are many tutors out there who explain things in a hurry just to appease the YouTube algorithm, and they cause beginners to get lost because some steps were skipped. If any step is skipped, please call my attention to it in the comment section, and if you have any problems, also call my attention to it, and I will try my best as possible to answer all your queries. And I will also share the curriculum and overview with you briefly after I talk on the key points. Next thing I want to do now is I'm going to show you the course curriculum for you to know why you should enroll for this course, or for you to know what you will get from this course. And I'll briefly talk on few key points that is involved in this course before giving you the curriculum. So the first thing is that it is not just theory. Okay, so this course is practice based. You will be ready for the real world at the end of this course. So this means you will not only understand the concept, but you will also know how to apply them in practical scenarios. And the second thing I would like to point out is that HTML, CSS, JavaScript, vanilla JavaScript are more important than frameworks. So you need to know the basics. You need to understand the fundamentals. With the advent of artificial intelligence, OpenAI, there might be chance that people don't want to spend the time to learn the fundamentals. But if you have knowledge of the fundamentals, whenever a new framework is out, it will be much easier for you to work with any framework, because The frameworks are built on these fundamentals, and knowing the fundamentals inside out will make you learning any framework much easier. And the third key point I would like to say is that best practice. You have to understand when to do something and when not to do. So this course also comes along with best industry practice, which is critical and crucial for writing clean and maintainable code. The next key point is that this course also takes into cognizance modern development, HTML5, CSS3, because I've checked on internet and I've seen that some of the videos on HTML and CSS, they are outdated 10 years, 5 years ago. And so this course will cover the basics and the latest practices. And of course, we build the web with accessibility in mind. This means that making sure that your website can be used by everyone, including people with disabilities. And one of the things that I'll be saying every now and then is practice what you learn. So the difference between an expert and an amateur is practice. So you have to invest the time and practice. You know, they say practice makes perfect. Practice makes you a master. So this is essential for mastering any skill, including web development skills. And second to the last, I will say that the order for which you learn something is important. So we look at HTML before CSS, which is the styling, and then we look at JavaScript. So this structured approach helps you in building a strong foundation. Finally, this course is designed to grow as your skills improve. So we start from the basics, beginner level, to intermediate and the advanced learners. The reason why this course stands out especially is because of these advantages. You have hands-on practice. It is free, absolutely free. All you need to do is in the description, go straight to the description and fill out the form and enroll for this course, and also subscribe to this channel to get notifications of the videos. So if you are interested in this course, like I said before, like this video, because YouTube algorithm, I know how it works. You like this video and share with as many persons that you want to share with your friends, share with your family, your children, those who you want for them to participate in this course. So you like this video so that other students, other people can also see this video and enroll for this free course, which is full pack and very loaded with quality information and lectures. So now, what this course does not cover. After that, I will also let you know what to expect at the end of this course. So the excluded topics are no frameworks. So frameworks are powerful, but they are constantly changing. And so learning the fundamentals of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript will make it much easier to pick any framework later. So in this course, there is no framework lessons, there is no React, there is no Angular or Vue, there is no Bootstrap, Tailwind, or WordPress. Of course, so WordPress is more about content management than to web development. By focusing on the basics of fundamentals of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you have the skills to build websites from scratch and truly understand how they work. Finally, what is the expected outcome from this course? So by the end of this course, here is what you can expect. The first thing is that you have the ability to build fully functional website with search engine optimization. You also have the ability to create fast and search engine optimization friendly website, and also you have a working knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You will be comfortable with writing and understanding codes in these languages. And finally, also you have career guidance on what to learn next. So in conclusion, like I've said earlier, you can enroll for this course by subscribing to these videos, and also by clicking in the description section the link to the form. Kindly fill out the form so that you get notifications when the videos are uploaded. You also get access to the codes. You also get access to the assignments. So make sure you click on subscribe, hit the bell icon and then click on all to get all notifications, so that when videos are released during the weekend, you will get notified. Get your computers ready and your internet connected. Let's get started. See you in class, and I would love to say V to the I to the C, VIC. I see you. Good luck, guys.